The MSI GT73 VR 7RF Titan Pro laptop is priced at 3,34,990 rupees. The laptop has all the right angles, paint schemes, design aesthetics and screams gaming. You get red metal inlays on the lid, the Dragon logo is backlit, the power button sits underneath an angular cutout on the keyboard deck. The vents have red accents and the bottom has a red perforated grille. The laptop looks dramatic, which will appeal to the gamer. But then machines like the Asus G752VY not only look good visually, but are distinctive as well. Whereas the MSI GT73 settles for the same old black and red design. That being said, it is unwieldy as the Asus machine, weighing over 4 kgs and is about 2 inches thick. Like the design, the build quality leaves little room for complaints. The lid and keyboard deck are metallic, laid over plastic subframe. The machine feels quite sturdy and there is minimal flex in the body. There is some flex in the display, but it is not really a deal breaker. The display hinge is one of the smoothest we have seen in a while and opens to about 140 degrees, leaving enough room for third-party cooling pads. On the I/O front, you get almost everything you may ask for. You get 3 USB 3.0 Type A ports on the left and 2 on the right. On the back, there is a standard RJ54 Ethernet port, mini display port, Thunderbolt 3 via USB Type-C and an HDMI 2.0 port which will support a 4K output at 60Hz. You also get an SD card reader on the right, but a DVD drive is not included. DVDs are indeed obsolete today, but the company provides one of its much cheaper GE62 laptop, so not providing one here seems a bit odd. Also, we expected at least 2 USB Type-C ports on the laptop. The keyboard on the Titan Pro is a SteelSeries designed keyboard with RGB lighting and large but slightly stiff touchpad keys. The keyboard has nice large keycaps and offers more travel than most of its counterparts. Each key press feels precise, but if you are accustomed to a mechanical keyboard, you might want to stick to that. As far as the light settings are concerned, there are plenty to choose from, and you can tweak them from the MSI Dragon Center app. The touchpad is good, as is expected from a high-end laptop. The trackpad itself is smooth, supports gestures and is quite accurate. The MSI GT73 VR has one of the best displays we have seen on a laptop. While it is available in 120Hz Full HD panel, only the 4K variant is available in India. It has impressive color saturation and very good viewing angles. There is no light bleed and the display is quite bright with a recorded maximum luminance of 480 lux at the center. With an Intel Core i7-7820HK processor and an 8GB NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1080 to handle graphics, the GT73 VR Titan Pro undeniably houses the best gaming hardware available on a laptop. Both the CPU and GPU can be overclocked using BIOS and Afterburner software respectively. With such powerful hardware on the laptop, it was not a surprise that it blitzed through each and every benchmark we threw at it. While the scores are considerably higher than the last year's G752 from Asus, performance is very close to the Asus ROG G20CB gaming PC which we reviewed last year. Synthetic benchmarks aside, the GT73 VR works like a charm on the gaming front and chews every game we threw at it at 1080p or even 2K resolution. We even tested the machine with HTC's Vive VR headset, which again works without any issues. This is a gaming laptop and the rule of thumb is that these machines don't have good battery life. With a 75 watt-hour battery on board, we were not expecting great battery life and the GT73 VR didn't prove us wrong. In fact, the laptop ran just for an hour and a half before dying on the PC Mark 8 creative battery test. At the end, our verdict is that the MSI GT73 VR is a high-end gaming grade laptop that is meant for hardcore gamers and enthusiasts. If you are one of them, you should give this laptop a thought. Thank you for tuning into Digit, and for more videos, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get all the updates.